Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to consider another video tutorial on PIC18F instruction set, and we are currently studying table read write instructions which are available in PIC18F microcontroller. These instructions are very useful when one is going to transfer information from data memory to into program memory or from program memory to data memory. Currently, we are considering table write instructions, so we will be writing information or copying information from data memory, specifically the tablet register, which is the part of file register or data memory of PIC18F microcontroller, and we will copy the content of tablet register into the program memory, any of the location which is pointed by table pointer. Table pointer is a memory which is pointing to any specific location, and you know that the memory address of program memory location is around 20. It takes around six different hexadecimal numbers which are distributed in these three registers. So table pointer U, table pointer H, and table pointer L are basically upper, higher, and lower portions of table pointer. So currently their content is 00, 02, and 04 respectively for upper, higher, and lower portions of table pointer, and table pointer value is 000204 hex. That means this table pointer is currently pointing to this location. So whenever we are going to uh, use this instruction, table write, that means TBL, table WT for write, static post increment. For that post increment, we are using plus. So if I'm going to use this instruction, what is going to happen? The information which is written in tablet register, which is 5A hex, it is going to be copied into the location which is being pointed by table pointer, and that location is 000204. So 5A hex will be moved inside this location. So after the uh, execution of this instruction, the content will become 5A hex, right? Furthermore, not only this content will be get copied inside this location, furthermore, this plus sign indicates this table pointer value will be incremented, which means this value will become uh, 205, and for that purpose the lower portion of table pointer will be modified and it will become or incremented 05 by 1, so it will become 05. So this is how this instruction works. I hope this tutorial has explained this instruction, table writes static post increment. If you have any confusion or query regarding this instruction, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.